How to adjust the Android display size for easier reading. Jack Wellen shows you have easy it is to increase or decrease the size of the Android screen resolution so that you can read what's displayed whether you have your glasses or not. I am no spring chicken, nor am I at death doors ready to deliver the grim reaper. My swell on a pineapple pizza. Even still, my eyes are not quite what they used to be, and without my glasses, well, unless the letters on a display are excessively large, I am not going to be able to make them out. Anyone with this problem understands the struggle of reading the small display on a phone. Without ocular assistance, it's just not going to happen. Fortunately, Android has a pretty nifty feature backed in that can be a real assist for aging eyes. That feature give you the ability to increase or decrease the display size on your device. Now obviously this is not going to increase the physical display size. Instead what it does is change the resolution of your device so that on screen fonts and other elements will appear either larger or smaller. This feature has come in handy on several occasions. Should I accidentally have leave my glasses at home, I can still manage to read what's on my Android display so long as I can navigate to the setting and change the display size. I want to show you how to adjust the display size on your Android device so you too can avoid panicking should you find yourself without your specs. All you shall need for this is an Android device running an updated version of Android. The feature goes back to Android 10. So as long as your device is running that version of the OS, you should be good to go. Changing the display size in Android, one open setting, pull down the notification shade twice to reveal the setting gear icon. Tap that icon to open settings. Second, open the display setting page. Near the top of the window, you should see display storage 50% used minus negative 64.559 GB free. Sound and vibration volume haptics do not disturb display dark time font size brightness. Third, open display size settings. In the new window, scroll down until you see display size. Dark time will never turn on automatically. Font size default, display size default. 4. Adjust the display size. In the resulting window, figure 3, you shall see a drag bar at the bottom. If you drag the handle to the right, you decrease the display size. Drag it to the left to decrease the size. Adjust the size of the display until it is comfortable for your eyes, remembering that if you make it too large, some apps might have trouble displaying content. I have tested my installed apps with the largest settings and have yet to discover a problem with YMMV. Test it out and you should very quickly find the sweet spot that displays fonts and screen elements at a perfect size without having any issue with the app elements. So hopefully if you need to set the display size at its maximum, you shall find your installed apps don't have any trouble.